What is up, my fellows? Can you hear me? Just put out an announcement now that I'm live. I have no idea if you can hear me because I don't think the music was playing. Okay, so you can hear me, at least. At least it's not the entire sound system that's dead. Was the music playing? Or not? As in my music is broken, somehow. OBS is broken or Linux is broken. There was no music. Oh, really? Oh, well, something went wrong in OBS then, because it was definitely playing. The source, alright, fine, whatever. There was just no music from this one. Welcome. Let me actually turn my brightness on my tablet out so I can see the chat better. Welcome, Cider, Anjali, Auroras, Banana, Hatsumi. I can't say. Next TLV. Welcome all of you to the stream. Hope you're doing okay. Alright, let me, what OS am I on? This one. It's the one with the rocks in it. Hi Anna, by the way, glad you can make it. Welcome, Johnny the Depp, not Johnny Depp, but Johnny the Depp has arrived in the stream. Hope you're doing okay. Ape Sapien. Forget human evolution, okay? We're running on ape evolution. Welcome Jax to the stream. Hope you're doing okay. It's Monument Valley, I'm pretty sure. Because the other one was Death Valley we worked out, wasn't it? For anyone wondering, I'm friends with Hatsune in real life. I don't know if you're fine with me using your real name or not. Big rock, yeah. Big heckin' rock. No, that's Ayers Rock, really. Maybe I should find a wallpaper of Ayers Rock at some point, because that's just a big goddamn rock in the middle of Australia. It's kind of funny. Is it in the middle of Australia? I actually don't know. Wait for like 30 minutes. Oh my goodness. The man with the dedication. Let's see if I can get this bot up and running. True. Big rocks. Big rocks. Data slash, what is it? Program. Are you? Yes, I am. I'm having lunch. Whoops. I might turn the volume down on the microphone a bit. Actually, is the talking volume okay, or is it a bit loud? Do you want me to turn it down? Oh, I had to confirm. I think you were. I saw a message in the chat. Like, when I was setting the stream up, it was like 10 minutes into a live. I'm like, goodness. So programs, GitHub, Carberra. I think it's that one. Yeah, it is. And then, what is it? I think I had to run into thing. I think it's Python. Oh, it's Python-n carburetor, isn't it? Well, that works. Allow before it was. I see. I want to hear the munch. Yeah, you're not going to get much munch out of brioche, unfortunately. I could probably get a packet of crisps, and then I had to eat the whole thing. I don't really want to do that. No, edit actually. No, abort that whole thing. We need the venv up. What the hell was that noise that came out of my mouth just then? Eee. That is the bot. Online. Bam. We did the thing. Alright, I will use your own line. Anna. We got a bot, by the way. Feel free to look that up. Anyone that's here. Is anyone new? I'm not sure if there's anyone I don't recognise. I think it was that next guy from Russia that I don't recognise. There's already someone new. The bot nation, yeah, the bot spam starts. So already it starts. Gonna have a drunk, and then into immediate chill. those in my Discord, you probably know, I put a library on the Python package index literally yesterday. Actually, no, it was today. It was this morning at like 1 or 2 a.m. And, well, what we're going to do today, for those of you that don't know, is we're going to do some data analysis and visualization stuff. And one of the pieces of data we're going to analyze, I'm actually... my microphone is clipping like crazy, I think. It's going well into the red all the time, so I'm going to turn it down one. What I'm going to do for one of the data sets is I'm going to get my channel's YouTube analytics, and we're going to analyze and visualize that. So that's going to be fun. With the library that I put on the Python package index. The instant shill. Ready to learn things. Cool. Sounds good. I need another terminal. That's the same terminal. I don't want that terminal. I want this terminal. So we're gonna go cd data, and then we're gonna do programs, Carberra plans, and then I think I already have one. Yeah, I think I already have like 2. I was messing around with it like crazy. Oh, I've got to check Discord already. It wasn't even like 5 minutes. Oh, what the hell? Oh, yeah, that's not good. I did a bad. Ignore that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Just clear those 11 messages out of the videos and announcements channel. Just pretend that never happened. I didn't mess up the permissions. That wasn't a thing that happened. Being out by visualize how cute you are. That's going to be different. It's just got a flat line on the bottom. Loud spikes. I think the volume is okay now. I turned it down 1. How do you even do that? Do what? God, I guess I just make a new idea called Data Analysis and Visualization. DAV. Temptation to call it Dave is a bit too real. We'll do data viz. That'll do. I wanted to shorten it down, but I don't particularly want to put the word anal in the directory. Viz, there we go. Oh my goodness, right. So we need Python 3-mvem.vem. We're just going to do this in Python 8. Not Python 8, Python 3.8. I can't be asked to do it in Python 3.9. And then we need a VA. Yep. And then we need to do our install. Actually, we can do that in the actual thing itself. In the editor. So, I guess for now, we'll just do like YouTube analytics.py. Actually, we'll do it in a notebook. IPIMB. Yes, Python 8, welcome to 2121. Yep. Need that to be installed. Yes. Could not install the IPy kernel. You what? Oh, the interpreter isn't ready for some reason. Yes, cool. Well, I now need like the prompt again. Oh, for God's sake. Remove this file and then do it again. What? No, I don't want it in there. Goodness. What are you doing to me, man? I'll call this one just ytanalytics.ipymb. I install the kernel. Let's see Discord announcements. I'm just gonna like 100% check that I haven't completely burned the permission. Okay, it's fine. It's fine. It's okay. Everything is okay in the world. It's not, but it's okay on my Discord server at least. Okay, so that's installed that. So I'm going to turn my TV brightness up because for some reason it's really low. And I don't know why. Nope. Noises and things. Holy crap. Okay, so we're going to do Pip Install Analytics. my library on the Python package index that's got 18 trillion dependencies. And also doesn't have any docs, but we can ignore that for now. Well, it does, but it doesn't have any it doesn't have an API reference. I'm working on some. I'll be in the alpha 2. And it also fixed a typo in the description where I imported the wrong bloody library. That's really embarrassing. You make a module and then you import the wrong module in the example. That's not great. So we're going to do, for our YouTube imports, we're going to do import datetime as DT. We're going to also import pandas as PD. And then I just realized we're also going to need matplotlib and seaborn. So pip install matplotlib and then seaborn. Matplotlib, that's not quite what I want. I did it again. Seaborn. And this is going to take 20 years because these packages are both huge. There's pillow A, flashbacks. Come on, you can do it. Panda's great. Oh, yeah, great. And I thought it was installing Pandas 0.23 for a second. But no, it's just the dependency. I can never say matplotlib. It's not ideal, is it? And Discord announcement. What are you talking about? What are you talking about Discord announcement? There isn't one. Unless you're talking about the video announcement. Don't know. Oops, that's the restream settings. That's not what I want. So we also need to import. Well, actually, if we're doing it Pepe, this needs to come first. Matplotlib dot pyplot import plt, and then import seaborn as SNS, because for some reason that's the standard. I don't know why. Oh yeah, it's just there. And then actually it's going to be from analytics. It's .youtube import time-based YouTube analytics and then YouTube service. Invalid syntax. What? Oh yeah, that's embarrassing. There you go. Keep saying that the perms are messed up to make him pound. They're fine. I know they're fine. I fixed them. They're fine. And then go add a new cell. Going to create a service equals YouTube. This is literally like the example that's on the GitHub I'm doing right now. Service, and then we actually need to create a secrets file. Or more specifically, I need to how to get friends with Carb. What do you mean? I don't know what you mean by that. Data. We need to actually go and grab the secrets file for my YouTube analytics API. Then give me 1 second. Data programs. It's in GitHub. I think it's in the analytics one because I used it for a test. Oh no, did I get rid of it? Oh, bollocks. I might have got rid of it. Not have shortened it at all. Not really, no. Like, you have no idea how much of a mess this was. YouTube Analytics API is awful. I can show you part of the source code if you want. It's like, so you have this YouTube here, and then you have, so in the ABC you have like the YouTube Analytics base, which kind of gets all the stuff and retrieves it all. But then in Analytics, you have to have like individual reports. So you have the basic one, because each one has like different like filters and checks and stuff it needs to do. And check filters is actually, I think, roughly the same. Actually, I could probably merge that. potentially. Actually, I could probably put that in the ABC, but I don't know. Is there any description of the stream? Yeah. I've said it at the start. It's empty here. What do you mean it's... What? What are you talking about? Unless you mean on Twitch, in which case there should be at least something. Unless you mean the panels, I still haven't sorted the panels out yet. You can see that we have the basic YouTube analytics here. And then this has... Well, actually, I think these two are the same currently. But... Oh no, because you have the dimensions. The dimensions... Yeah, I just haven't sorted out the panels yet. Yeah, the dimensions are different between the two, so it checks different things. It's carnage. It's absolute carnage in there. The whole point of the API was so that no one else had to go through what I went through, just to get the thing to work. I also need to grab. Okay, what I need to do is I'm gonna move this over. Yeah, okay. Minimize that. I'm gonna minimize that. So you get a nice view of Monument Valley, and then what I'm going to do, because our credentials... Oh, I've just realised. You can't have files. Well, we're just going to have to write a script for this. I can actually have... Okay. We're going to start again. God, this is awful. Please, for the love of God, load in this side. Okay, thank God. Do not want to expose all my credentials because it takes like 20 years to reset them. And I want to put that in data. I want to create a new file called secrets.json. For some reason, the YouTube API has the most ridiculous set of requirements I've ever seen in my life. It's unbelievable. Or at least the most ridiculous set of credentials I've ever seen. It's literally insane. That's in there now. We're not going to open that. I'm going to close that just so we don't accidentally open it. And we're going to do get analytics.py. IPyMP is it's a Python notebook format. It's what you typically use in data science. I don't on YouTube. Potentially. I think there's someone else on YouTube, but I'm not sure they're active in the chat right now. I need to install MyPy. Gosh darn it. Pip install. I might as well install Black while I'm here. .env file. It's an environment file. It basically allows you to set... It's sort of like for local environment variables. So they all get set in there. Just select it into MyPy. Cool beans. Yeah, do not show again. Shut up. Welcome back to the stream. I hope you're doing okay. I'm not sure I actually welcomed Tyrone properly either. So welcome. So let's start that again, shall we? So from analytics .youtube import time-based YouTube analytics YouTube service, and then if name equals main. Oh, I don't want single quotes there. Tab 9, goddammit. The YouTube. What is your internet speed? Fast. Are we doing this? Yeah, because Python notebooks don't support, at least I can't figure out a way to get it to read files from a directory. So you have to put your credentials in the script itself, and I am not doing that on stream. So, yeah, we're doing this again. So service equals YouTube service, and then I can just read data/secrets .json. There we go. That's simple enough. And then service authorize and YT analytics dot read only, and then YT dash analytics dash monetary dot read only, and then you got analytics equals time based YouTube analytics. You don't, I just prefer double quotes. You're in a lesson, that's a big F. So you pass in the service and we don't want it by province. Restream bot doesn't see all my YouTube messages. Is the bot broken? The Restream bot is unreliable. Quite dramatically, so analytics.retrieve, and then we need to do, if you thought that import was rough, then just watch this one. Port YouTube analytics default metrics. Oh god, it's such a botch. So I need to pass in the metrics like that. I also need a start date. We're gonna get all the data from 2020 because that's just the easiest way to do it. Import date time as DT. Scam. Why are you complaining? Oh, because I didn't put an L there. 2020 dash. What we can actually do is we can actually get so I'm going to get report 2019. 2019 dash naught. When did the channel get created? It was naught. It's the 14th of July, so that's naught 7 or 7 and 14, I think. I don't know. I'm guessing at that one. I'm pretty sure it's because June is 6, so it would make sense. End date equals important DM in Discord. Okay, I'll read that in a second. 2020. No, I want 2019. 12:31, and then we need the dimensions equals, and then that's going to be day. Yes, that does need to be a tuple. You can. The API, the main API supports passing in multiple dimensions. It is rough. Okay. Then we can just do this again and get some 2020 data. So you can actually get like a load of data at the same time on a single request, which is kind of nice. So 2020 1 and then just change this to 2020. And a report 2019 .to CSV. Maybe /data /carb 2019 .csv. And then we're going to do the same thing for 2020. CSV. Fantastic. Yeah, for those in the Twitch chat, don't forget that we do have a bot. People are using it right now. If you're not sure how to use it, then use +help. And you'll get some cool little information about it. It's a Python get analytics.py. I've never actually tested analytics on Python 3.8, so this is going to be a first. JSON decode error. Okay, well that's something wrong in the secrets.json file. Fantastic. Oh god. Why are you like this? Oh yeah, oh hang on. Oh, that'll be it. That didn't work. Oh yeah, it's like a heads or tails thing, Anna. So you could put like H or T. 1. That's a tiny bit. That is a small dick bet right there. We need the large schlong bets in the chat. We need to promote gambling as a method of the only method of giving money. You put false. Yeah, that's not how it works. So now we can do, actually, I will check this important Discord DM. Okay, fantastic. That was a fantastic use of my time. Python get analytics.py, and this should just work. And then we need to authorize, so we need to go here. Oh my god. This is annoying. When the YouTube authorization flow just decides. Oh, I'm going to do the rest of this off screen, it's boring. Continue. I know it hasn't verified the application, but continue it. Okay, there we go. And that's complete. And now if we look in data, we'll see our CSVs. An option for S or side, which happened. Why? That doesn't seem necessary. So if you open the preview, you can see this is just a huge table of analytic data. So you can see that in 2019 I was getting like nothing at all. Look at those amazing view figures for 2019. So poor. I can technically like manipulate people's figures. Wink, wink. I know. Or you can just like gamble your way to the top like other people did. Genuinely, like. So the economy works. So you do a flip, and not an actual flip. You flip a coin in the bot, and then you win or lose that, and then you can do a hack, and then everything that gets lost goes into the bank, and then you can hack the bank to get it back. So as you can see, max is 163,000, which is a sizable F. We had 20. Yeah, that 20k seems rather small now. How's the hack work? So when the bank has 500 credits or more, you can type in plus hack, and that's all you need to do. And then so long as 3 people in the hack with you, then it's a lot of probabilities. And then yeah, you can get like a absolute arse ton out of it. It's basically a way to steal all the credits that everyone lost. Yeah, but this is my view figures for 2020, so you can see it starts going up. We're now in the hundreds. Now we're in the thousands. Yeah, it's quite nuts. But these are the data sets we're going to be using, and it gets like a lot of data as well. I mean, look at all this. There's so much data here. Actually, if I scroll down to when stuff gets monetized, this is all like the monetized data. This is literally like all of it. It's insane amount of data you get out of the API, and there's even more to get with bulk reports, but the analytics doesn't support bulk reports yet. Keyword being yet. Start losing. What I can do is I could probably help with that. Where's my Twitch chat? There it is. If I do flip, I don't know, do 10,000 on, I don't know, tails. Oh, God. I get so lucky with this. I haven't lost a flip in like the last 5 or 6, and they've all been stupid bets. Can you show the code once again? Well, this code or the actual analytics code? Yeah, I have a thing, Anna, at the end of the stream, I bet every single credit I have. You alright? I'll see it for my channel. I would say wait until the Alpha 2 comes out, Cider, and then the docs will be there. Or you can just pip install it, pip install Analytics, and you can look at the source code from there. I might do like a little rundown of it. I do want to do a video on Analytics, because you know, the good thing about having a channel with almost 2,000 subscribers is that, oh nice, I passed him. It's gonna be angry now. Is that you can advertise anything you build to an audience. Bot spam in chat 4. That's probably the restream chat. It's piping all the Twitch chat into YouTube. We should probably start analyzing some data. So analyze-yt dot, and then we are actually going to do an IPyNB here. And then we're going to import numpy as np, import pandas as pd, import matplotlib as .pyplot as plt, and then import cborn as SNS. That's really unfortunate. Twitch chats are hard to say. It's predominantly because of the Carberra bot, which is only on Twitch at the moment. Oh, that's really unfortunate. Why you got to bring pandas into this? Because we're doing data analysis. We are doing data analysis. You can't really do data analysis without pandas. Also, oh my god, Annie, you're so unlucky. That is really unfortunate. You do gain credits as you go, and of course you can hack. Does the thing have enough to hack yet? The bank does not have enough credits. How many does it have? Oh, that's the wrong one. It has 286. Okay. So someone losing and cool, yeah. Right, anyway, we should really be doing stuff. So we can create a df using pd.dataframe /data/carb2020. Actually, should I use pathlib and flex? I don't know. I'm tempted to flex and use pathlib. Welcome info to the stream. I hope you're doing okay. Oh, nice. Someone's been generous. Nice. First win. And then we can do df.head, and then we can actually see what's in data frame. No, we can't. Data frame constructor is not properly called. That's because I'm doing the wrong thing. It's not from CSV. Pandas has no... Oh, it's read CSV, isn't it? There we go. Actually, we need to do index col equals 0. There we go. Good, good. Yeah, I'm doing all right. Thank you very much. So that is our data frame, and now we can actually start analyzing it, really. So plt, so we could do fig equals plt.figure and an SNS dot line plot, and then wasn't this like some ridiculous? Where's my files? Oh, have I got? Oh no, I haven't got code open twice. There's the files. I remember distinctly that getting like time-based data is like unbelievably stupid. Oh no, we need to convert it into a. No, I don't remember how to do any of this stuff. To Twitch, not chat. I stream on both for a reason. I am considering switching to only Twitch at some point, but that would depend if I ever get affiliate. Because currently I can make YouTube on I can make money on YouTube streams. I can't make money on Twitch streams at the moment. But once I get affiliate, I might switch to Twitch only, as soon as everyone just goes into Twitch anyway, and then just re-upload the VODs on YouTube afterwards. Welcome Crazy Vibes to the stream. Hope you're doing okay. Where the Carberra, if it would be in Carberra, then it would be in no, it wouldn't. It would be programs, Carberra plans, and it would be this one? Question mark? Oh, I have a secret JSON there. Oh, God's sake, that's annoying. Retrieve analytics. That wasn't it. Was it? No, wasn't it? It was the data analysis one. There we go. Carbon analysis that I pinned. Yeah, okay, this is the one I want. So we need to do this. You can see I did a bit of messing around with it already. Oh my god, that is rough. That's channel points as well. Can't you like get stuff with that? Can the Twitch chat see YouTube chat, or is only one way? The Twitch chat can see YouTube chat. When the restream bot works, which is only about 75% of the time. That should now convert this first column into a date time format, so we can actually use the thing. And then I think we just do like line plot. Oh god, that's polynomial regression. We'll leave that alone for now, I think. Can I? I think I've accidentally put the entire Jupyter notebook into OBS. How did I do that? That was strange. Okay, fair enough. Fair enough. Okay, so it's the same. So you can do data equals df, x equals views. No, not x equals day, and then y equals views, and then a fig dot show. And actually, that reminds me, we need to put a matplotlib inline in there, and then run it all. Screw it, and then we get a graph. Look at this. So this is this is the graph of analytics for my 2020 year. As you can see, it went up quite a lot. Welcome Somi to the stream. I hope you're doing okay. F in chat for all. Or did he have a massive loss again? See, I'll watch the clips at the end of the stream, Cider. Oh, there's a hacking squad. I want in on this. Amazing. How much did you lose? Oh, 3. Or you hate the poor. Well, too bad. I am now in light of my YouTube millions, I am now a capitalist. And so the poor are just peasants to me. I'm joking, by the way. I don't think that at all. That's every stream. Really? God damn it. And now is a discussion I have no idea what I was talking about. But yeah, that is the graph for my views, which is kind of crazy. We can actually do a scatter plot as well. And if I do this, then you'll see x equals day, y equals views, again, that the plot actually, like the scatter plot and the line plot actually match up. So you can see here. 11,000, nice. I think we can actually, is there a way of, actually we can pass like a df day is less than dt dot date. I think we can do this to 2023 one. It's got like the first quarter. Nope. dt is not defined. That's interesting. Import date time as dt. Is there anything we can do? Not supported. Oh, I see here. df. And then we've got to do that. No. Invalid comparison. 2020-0401. What's a date time? 64. Oh, it wants a date time, I think. Oh yeah, it wanted a date time. Oh wow, look at that. This is because the scatter plot is still. Let's get rid of that. Oh yeah, we can just do that. That's kind of cool. Oh, have you signed into your other account now? Welcome back. That's the Twitch account, never mind. That was an incredibly weird noise that came out of my mouth. Also, yeah, Anna, by the way, I see that you're in on your other Twitch account. It's currently based on username, not ID, so you just kind of reset your progress unless you switch the other one. Unfortunately. That's kind of cool. I like how the labels are just done for. And alright, you can see here, there's this huge spike in the middle of February when everyone went into lockdown and it just kept going. It's kind of crazy. So you can probably actually... If we split... Hang on, I kind of want to do something interesting here. I want to do... okay. df2 equals df. That should be df.copy. df2... How to give money to others. You plus give... What's going on now? Right, can you stop like trying to get me to check Discord when it's nothing important? Seriously. That's really annoying. When I count all my sub emotes and the stream account. Ah, I see. Yeah, please stop debating me with that. It's kind of pissing me off. Yeah, I see now. That makes sense. I'm kind of the same with my YouTube. Like I have the Carberra account that I have all my like audience on, and then I have my Superboo account that I've been watching YouTube on for like the last 8 years. So that has all my history, all my favorites, subscriptions, and everything. So I can't. It's really awkward to switch. I've been wanting to do it for a while, but it's incredibly awkward to do. So what I'm going to do, I think it's insert. Here, the problem is iPlay, you don't get no, I'll just Firefox, there it is. And column into df. I'm pretty sure it's insert, but I'm not sure. I'm just not sure what the parameters is. Yeah, I think they should really add something like that. It's the same sort of thing with Google as well, like Gmail. You can't change your email address on a Google account. I mean, in my Google account, that everything is connected to, literally everything is connected to, including like a load of purchases and everything, is on an email account I made when I was 13. So it sucks. It's just rough. It's a location column, value, and I'll do it because it was false. Yeah. You can have duplicates at all? I'm actually surprised at that. Yeah, so it's the same. It's what I thought it was. So it'd be index 1 and then a quarter. And then I'm gonna just actually what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move these to a separate cell. And then I'm gonna do that and then this and then run that. Oh, it actually has to take a value. Okay, what if I just do that? The dimension, yeah, so it needs, I see. Okay, so this is a programming challenge. So 366. So in theory, a quarter could be, well, okay, so you have like the month divided by 3, don't you? So you could do df. Oh my god, this is rough. Why am I even trying this? The whole reason I'm trying it is because I want to do a box plot, but I have a horrible feeling this is going to be like awful. So we've got df day. No, it'd be so it'd be 4D in D, and then we've got to do something with D. So D dot month divided by 3. No, it'd be divided by integer division by 3, and that should work actually. What? Oh, no, never mind. Oh, I'm printing out the wrong data frame. I was getting really confused there. So tail, it should be 4. But in this, it's 0. Huh. That's interesting. Plus 1. Can I, like, see the whole df, please? If I do that, it goes to 5. All right, df2.2 csv, and then we'll just do like test.csv. So you can save files, but it can't load them, which is really annoying. So we have this 1. Now where does it change to 2? Oh, it changes to in March. Oh, right, okay. It's oh my god. I think it's df month plus 1 or something. Because 1 divided and then 3 yeah, I think it's this I need to do actually. And then just we can get rid of these brackets now. And then where's the test one? Oh, it's not there anymore. So 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So it starts. Oh, it starts at 0 again. Oh my god! Why is this so difficult to work out? So it starts. Okay. So maybe it's -1 then. That actually makes more sense. So start at 1, then it's now just the month. That really broke it. Oops, it is. So df, so d.month, and then I really don't know. Because divided by 3 should get... It's got to be +1, surely. I didn't... Hang on, let me re-see what +1 gave me. So I got in March, yeah, and then in April that also gets to, and then it goes into in May now. And then I'm going to presume we never actually hit Q4. Oh, we do hit Q4 in November. So everything is now a month out. Oh no, yeah, everything is now a month out. Oh my god, man. This is ridiculous. So if we, or maybe it'd be like math.ceil. In that case, it would be int and then +1. It'd be like all this +1. d.month divided by 3 and then plus. But that was the conclusion I came to before. I am upset. Unless this just magically works. No, it doesn't, because it's Q2 starts in May. So is it +2? And then no, because it's just a month out now. Because Q3 starts in June when that doesn't happen. So it'd be quarter. Oh my god. So 1. 1 integer division by 3 is 3. 2 division, that's the problem. One integer division by 3 is 0. Same with 2. 3 is then 1. So you've then got to, like... Welcome, Ender Slain, to the stream. Hope you're doing okay. You joined me at a point of thinking where I'm doing something really stupid to try to do something that I don't know is going to work. 1 divided by 3, and then we only need to plus 1 if the remainder is 0. Plus int, oh my goodness. That'll work. No, she did work. So 0, okay, fine, and then it starts at 2, and then it goes down to 1, and then... What the hell? Six more minutes, 5 more minutes until what? I don't know. I don't know what either. Nice. Also, when a hack completes, the credits in the bank get wiped out, regardless of whether they were claimed or not. So that's the only way the economy can lose money. I think the chances of losing are still a bit low, because it's determined by the number of people that are in it at the time. So if there are 3 people in the hack, then you have a 30% chance of succeeding. 4 people, a 40% chance, but you get less of the money. But I think that should probably start at like 50. I don't know, because there has to be 3 people. Wait, someone lost enough. Oh yes, someone lost enough already. You are straight in there with that. That was unbelievably quick. Also, when the hack starts, I'm a vulture. So in that instance, this is something I haven't explained before. In that instance, the hack, someone initiated the hack when there was 500. And there is now 660 in there. It will take the number when the hack actually starts, not when the hack was initialized. So if you initialize it as 500, someone throws 2,000 in there, it would be 4,500. So it takes that number. So what is this? It goes 3, 5, and then it goes 4 somewhere. I don't really know how I've done this. I'm going to be honest with you. That is not what I expected to happen at all. That's the wrong one. Is this one we need? So plus int double equals 0. So that should just add 1 or not. No. So 12 int 12 3 double equals 0. So that is 1. Oh, I think I'm adding it at the wrong time. Yeah, I think what I'm doing is I'm adding it at the wrong time. That might be the problem I'm having. That looks a bit more promising. That looks far more promising. So... Okay, I think we've actually got something now. So quarter 3 starts in July. And Q4 starts in October. Yeah, okay, we have something. Amazing. This is ridiculous. So we don't need that anymore, and we can get rid of this test.csv because we don't need it. We don't need it, bruv. So this can stay, although I do want to clear all the outputs. Actually, I might as well just run everything again, honestly. There's no point in hiding that. So I want to do another one. Fig equals plt.figure, and then I'll probably head off to the toilet because I really need it. I've only been streaming for an hour, but I already need it. So box, we'll just do a standard box plot. Data equals df2. X equals, no, we don't want that. No, we do, yeah. X equals quarter. Y equals views. And pray to the gods of data science that this works. Oh my god, it did. Look at that. Oh, what a graph. Look at that down there. Oh, this graph is actually really cool. Oh, it was until an hour, yeah. What have you done? Wait, what? Have you... Did I not account for that? Oh no. Oh no. Wait, if... Wait, you have 100 million? Oh no! Oh no! Oh no, this is awful. Oh, that's somewhat unfortunate. Okay, well then, I guess we are... Hang on, I have to fix that. I have to really badly fix that. Like, right, we're not doing analytics anymore, we're fixing that. Anna, what have you done? How did that go unnoticed for, like, I think that's 6 streams that went unnoticed. How did you guys miss that? The recession is coming. That is actually worse than the exploit that was in the Boolasses bot that I built once, where the betting system, you had a betting system, but there wasn't a maximum, like it didn't limit your maximum bet to the number of credits that you had. So you could just bet whatever and you could lose and gain 1 million. But this one just allows you to bet minus numbers and just gain money if you lose. Oh, it was you. I see. The first one I saw was Anna's, so I just presumed it was hers. Welcome, I know Benoli5 to the stream. Hope you're doing okay. You've joined us. You've joined us at Crisis Hour, where we're having to frantically patch something. Oh god. Feature stats 6. It's a completely fair assumption. Git branch. Okay, so git feature. No, it'd be hotfix, wouldn't it? Hotfix betting from develop. Oh yeah. Checkout dash D. No, it's checkout dash B. I'm an idiot. VD and then VA. This one and then code dot. Are you resetting the database? I have no idea. I'm gonna have a look at it for sure. I want to see it. It would be in economy. No, wouldn't it be in fun? To be fun and then coin flip. Oh yeah, it only checks if it's greater than the maximum balance. It doesn't check if it's less than 0. Whoops. No, if you bet negative money and lose, it gives you that money. So I think you're positive 9 million and something. Okay, well, if bet is less than 1, return await CTX or send. CTX.author.name. You need to bet at least. Is there like? I'm pretty sure like the give is like a message like this. I don't want it to be consistent. You must give at least 1 credit. Yeah, okay. So you must bet at least 1 credit. At least 1 credit. I'm surprised Max didn't find it. You can't bet nothing. Let us bet, is it why? You'd win 0. It multiplies your bet by 2 for the winnings. So you'd win 0. Try and bet negative. If I keep losing, I can actually win. Yeah, well, for some reason there wasn't a check on that. I'm genuinely surprised Max didn't find that. He's the one that found the previous exploit in Boulas's. Okay, so Hofix betting, yeah, it's a tag 0.3.1. I guess it would be tag 0.3.2. So git commit -m fix now that works. If yeah, and then we don't need to beautify that, do we? No, we don't. Oh, I need to. Oh, I see. I need to actually specify the file. That probably help. So Carberra /bot/cog/fun.py. Yeah, and then we can git checkout develop, git merge feature. Oh my goodness, there's so many. Hotfix bedding, there we go. Oops! Let's not do that. that would be the worst thing I could do. Not committing merge. Okay, cool. I didn't realize it kept this one. Oh, I think it's... You've not concluded your... Oh no. Something has gone horribly wrong here. Oh wait, develop has additional... Wait, what? What was the previous exploit? The previous exploit was actually the opposite, where it checked this, but it didn't check this. So you could bet more than you had. Well, I'm trying to like merge this, but I completely destroyed the branch, I think. So the developers actually won ahead. I don't know how that happened. Git branch... No, git checkout. I might have to just... No, it's hotfix. Yeah, this is like... This is... Was there merge conflicts? Oh, God's sake. I don't know if there was merge conflict. Oh no, it's actually fine now. Git merge hotfix bedding. Okay, there we go, that just worked. And then git push, it could be git tag version 0. Wait, what is it already? 0.3.2. Wait, so it is a V. Git tag version 0.3.2 to that commit, and then git push that to develop. Now that's that bug fixed. So we can close that now. Do we still have the other code open? No, we don't. Okay. And then we can git checkout develop, git branch -d hotfix bedding, and then Yeah, and then it would be Python dash. Actually, I need to show the database first, don't I? So be in here. Play data, it'd be programs, GitHub, Carberra, tutorials, Twitch bot, and it'd be. Actually, wait, can I show it in Visual Studio Code? There must be an extension that allows me to do it. DB, no, it would be database.db3. There has to be an extension. Database viewer. Excel viewer, VS Code database. Supports MySQL. That should work then. How do I use it? How do I use your dumb extension? Oh, you actually have to connect to it. Oh, for God's sake. Server not selected. New connection. No, it's just... Well, this one's rubbish. I need an SQLite. SQLite viewer. Oh, SQLite, there we go. Can this like show it? I'm gonna try and if I can get away with doing this without installing the viewer, because I don't have that installed right now. I don't think I can. Okay, well that's going away, and we're getting the. Can I get it on the sudo apt? Can I do search? Is that a thing? Oops. I think that's the wrong password. Yeah. I've had operation search. Can you not do that? How do you search something? Alright, we'll just go on Firefox and look it up. DB browser for SQLite. And then hopefully... Hopefully I don't have to download anything and I can just install it through the... Okay. Arch, Fedora, Debian, there we go. Sudo I'll get SQLite browser. Thank you. Sudo update and sudo apt get install SQLite browser. I just realised I didn't actually tell it to do why did I? Bug fixing literally so it actually worked. I was crying. I can imagine bot times -1 that will still make it 0 side. Yeah, this is actually more, even more broken than the previous exploit I had, which is really saying something because that was very broken. At least the bot doesn't crash. No, actually, it still does. There's still a bug I need to fix, but we don't talk about that. We definitely 100% do not talk about the fact that it's possible to break the bot using the hack command. That's not a thing we talk about ever. Bang. Yeah, the bank is kind of feeling it right now. The bank ain't liking it. I still got mine there. Aurorus has, oh god, I think Sada is even more. I think that's an extra number. No, it's not an extra number. It's just like double. And then Jesus Christ, book. How much did you exploit that? My goodness. Oh, Anna, you did not come out of that well. You came out with -20 million. Oh no, no, it's book. No, book is minus. That's minus. Nine. Wait, where even is that? I don't even know what that is. So it's 1,000 million billion trillion. Almost 100 trillion in debt. Goodness. Cider is now the richest person here. with 200 million. And then I think Auroras is next with about 100 million. Yeah. Yeah, feel free to take a screenshot of your balance. If you can tell, some people haven't been active when the XP lock is in. You can actually kind of see when a member was last active using the XP lock. I mean, sure, I suppose. It's technically a bug. I can't really do much about that. So feel free. The people that are in the negatives, do you want me to fix that? Because that's not going to go well. Right. Without this exploit, there is like no way you're getting out of that debt. So I guess I'll do what I did with people that were in the beta streams, and I'll give you 10,000. No, it's negative. Your cat to culinary school. Despite the fact that you have a dog and 2 fish, but we'll ignore that. Or is there something you're not telling me? Yeah, 10,000 should be fine. That's what I gave the beta people. So that'd be fine. Right changes. So pi-am Carberra. Bam. Come on, not found. Fantastic. Awesome. Love it. Oh yeah, I know. I know why that is. Okay, well I can actually write it from this side. Python-m carburetor. And this is the fixed one. Presumably. This is presumably the fixed one. 200 million. Actually, what in the world? I probably should have reset the bank actually. Because the bank is a... Oh, the leaderboard's in the develop now? Don't remember merging that in there. Oh well. Yeah, I might quickly reset that because the bank ain't coming out of that one. The bank is not recovering from that without a little investment. Without actually I was gonna say a small loan of $1 million, but it's 500 million credits in debt. It's almost as in debt as Donald Trump. And it's not even close to what America is. The Great Recession. Oh, I should probably check the Give. Actually. Oh, the Give has it. Oh yeah, because someone actually found that exploit where they could just steal money from other people. And I had to very quickly patch that. Yeah, it was because it was because of the great, it was hyperinflation. I'm blaming this on hyperinflation. My Twitch bot economy. I don't know if I should make that joke, honestly. Not sure if I should go there. Tutorials, Twitch bots, Carberra, DB, nope, data, and then database to DB3, and then right, okay. How much should we give the bank? The API token for the bot. I think it's token generator. I really don't remember. There is token gen and there is twitchapps.tmi. One of them gives you the API token you need, one of them doesn't. I believe it's token gen that gives you the correct one. Don't quote me on that. Welcome Ivan to the stream. I hope you're doing okay. I'm gonna spice it up. I'm gonna spice up the economy. It's already been spiced up, but I'm gonna spice up again. The bank is getting $1 million, baby. And I am yeah, I'm hacking the heck out of that. Right, while that's going on, I'm going to go to the toilet because I need to pee. So, oh, the music's back. Okay, well, we'll have the music. I don't know if you can even hear me over the music, but we'll have that and I'll be back. Have fun with the bot. Bye. Bye. I don't know what I'm saying. Bye. I'm going to be back. I back. What happened? Hey! 200,000, baby. I think that's like doubled my total. Banana bond. Oof. That is a big rip. 100 million. God. Okay. So, back to what we were originally doing. Oh god, these streams are just a meme. No, I didn't want that terminal. I also want the stream back. Thank you. Oh, that's a big F. That's a big loss. Data / programs / Carberra plans / data viz. Imagine earning credits legitimately. I know it. What an absolute heckin' meme. Oh, that's not gone well. That's okay. There we go. Oh, hello. There we go. Okay, everything loaded up eventually. Watch the recycle bit Discord. I've I get scared of the recycle bin after a stream is done. Technically, yes, you can, but I'm not going to look at it until the stream's over. So, while you're here, I'm going to take this opportunity after we've not really done anything I'm supposed to be doing in this stream, and also breaking the Twitch bot and spending a lot of time fixing that, to shill all my stuff. I'm going to take this opportunity to do that because I feel this is the perfect time. I have a Discord server. If you want to join it, you can look at that in the description. Or if you're on Twitch, it's down there as well. It's not a panel, it's a link. Well, I'll sort panels out later. God damn it. If you're enjoying the content, feel free to subscribe to the channel, like the stream on YouTube, and also follow on Twitch if you really want. Speaking of which, I've got to get the follow statistics up on my phone because I don't know. I've really got to set up those Streamlabs alerts at some point. Also, if you are feeling extremely generous, I do have a Patreon that you can go and subscribe to. If you want more streams of broken bots, then feel free to do that. Or if you want to donate directly, you can donate using the YouTube Super Chat, which is a thing you can do. Fortunately, you can't donate on Twitch yet. Or you can just donate on PayPal if you really want to. I think that's it. The bank has 6 million. Oh my goodness. Yeah, the economy is hardcore. Hardcore effed. Stream manager. Thank you, Stina Chan, Book Pie, and Ivan for following the stream. 1 credit. Thank you. I needed that credit. Right, anyway. Back to what we're doing. The box plot or a box end plot. The kernel reset, fantastic. I love it. I absolutely love it. No, well, that's actually a slightly better diagram. Look at this plot. If you like this plot, donate on YouTube. No, I'm not gonna force that. Welcome Mango to the stream. Hope you're doing okay. Nobody managed to get anything. Oh no. Oh no. Okay. This is the other bug I was talking about. If the hack completes and no one wins, the entire hacking system breaks down completely. So, Jesus Christ, Aurorus. So you can't do hacks until I restart the bot now. Sorry. Oh my god, I really need to fix that one as well, but that is a bigger fix, I think. I might fix it at the end of this. Jesus Christ! And there goes all of his money. $18 million credits. Holy mother of God. Right. Shut down and then reboot the bot and that will fix the hacking. Oops. Yeah, I'm in for that. I'm in that one. Cool, that's a cool graph we made. Right, what other graphs can we make out of this data? God, there's so much of it. Destroy that subscribe button and ding that bell. Welcome to the stream, Eddie. Hope you're okay. A bar graph. Yeah, we can do a bar graph out of this. That's easy to do. I think we can literally just do a count plot here. I could change this to a count plot and it will... Nope, never mind. Oh, I can't pass in... Oh. Okay, we'll do that in a separate cell, I think. So fig, whoopsie daisies, whoopsies, fig equals plt.figure sns dot count plot. I think it's data equals df and then y equals views. I think, I don't know, I have no idea what's going to come out. Oh dear. Whoa! What is this? I've made a rainbow, is what I've done there. Oh, for God's sake! Welcome Zelly, sorry, still plays to the stream. Hope you're doing okay. Witness me. It is very pretty. Unfortunately, apart from the sidebar, unfortunately it's kind of not quite what we wanted. I have no idea how I did that. But if you guys could stop breaking my damn Twitch bot, that would be nice. Really appreciate that. It'd be awesome. Sometimes I wonder if people just come to the streams for the bot, I'm not gonna lie. Boop. Yeah, I've got to fix that one. I think, well, it's clearly x equals views then. I think we set the hue. Oh no. This isn't good. Oh my god, was that the 35 million one? Oh god. Aurorus. Draining the economy dry. 35 million credits at a time. You're like Trump investing in casinos. What is my computer doing? I kind of want to... I'm scared that my computer's just going to set on fire. But I do want to see what graph this produces. Considering... Well... My computer... I don't know. I'm going to move the microphone over to the fan so you can hear it. Oh my god, did you hear that squeak? That was my microphone stand. Okay. Listen to this. My computer is going nuts. Jesus. What is this thing doing? I'm really scared. King Zelly, hello. I remember you from YouTube. 77 followers now. Nice. Oh, it's live. Yeah, I'm live. Welcome to the stream, Snoopy West. Hope you're doing okay. Are you a mix of Snoop Dogg and Kanye West? No, Aurora's just being super generous. Can you give me some credits, please? Thank you. I need my mun-muns. That was a weird... I didn't like how that came out. Oh, it's Spoopy. Ah. Spoop Dog and Kanye West. It's... Oh my god, everyone's joined the stream at once here. Welcome Inferno736 to the stream. It's your boy, the Carbonara, indeed. Edit a DB if you really want it. Alright, I will. Alright, what is in feedback? Jesus. What is in there? You could have suggested that in the chat, I'm not gonna lie. No, max gamble limit is dumb. I don't like that. That's too sensible. What is my computer? Am I running out of RAM here? It's still trying to plot whatever this is. So for some reason, CPU number 9 is being destroyed right now. I don't know why it specifically chose number 9. We're not really out of memory. We're using 1.5 gigs of memory. You have to store data from an event. What time it was compared to others? What, in like discord.py or what? Banana bun. What happened? Alright. Hey. Store data from the event. It depends what event. Events get past different arguments. And you can just store, like, you can just extract them. And do it that way. Okay, I'm gonna terminate this cell because... Wait, how do I terminate that one? Okay. So that clearly didn't work. Can I do hue quarter? Oh no, it'd be DF2, wouldn't it? And... Oh no, okay, I'm gonna surmise that we need a df3 equals df quarter df2 and then views. I'm going to surmise that we need to do something like that. Actually, it's not going to be hue quarter anymore then, is it? How in the world do I get this count plot to work? Like, for real. What is going on here? Okay, I'm looking this up. This is ridiculous. Seaborn count plot. God, Aurora is just going nuts. Welcome Sidless to the stream. Hope you're doing okay. You missed a big bug that I imagine you probably would have enjoyed. Can Restriction, could you stop being so bad? I would. Oh, I can't spell. I would like Restream to stop being bad. There we go. What have I done? Oh no. Okay. Yeah, you can bet negative amounts. We don't talk about that. So bar plot counts of observations in each categorical bin. So do we actually want like a bar plot? I suppose. Oh, it did it. I still have literally no idea what it's doing. That's very strange. It's interesting. So I guess bar plot is kind of what we want. So x equals views, y, no, x equals day, then, and then y equals views, and then we can just do df1. Oh, despite the fact it's not defined. Oh, here we go again. Is it doing the same thing again? I never thought, like, I never thought this would be the hardest thing to get working. The bleeding bar plot. So Discord, it's down in, there's a link to it below. It's not in a panel, it's in that new description thing that they got. That's not what I want to do. This is day. No. X equals quarter. Maybe I have to do that and then it counts. Cool, this was very useful. Oh. Oh, it counts the number of observations in that. Oh my god. I am so dumb. It's unreal. I can't even begin to tell you how. Okay, alright, fine. X equals quarter, y equals views. And yeah, this is what we want then. There we go. Holy mother of God. Right. Let's go df and let's go day. And watch this thing suffer. The moment you realise when you call yourself dumb and become smart, yeah, exactly. That's what I did. Call myself dumb all the time and look how smart I am. Actually, wait, don't use that as an example. Oh, wow. That graph has been... oh my god, it's so laggy. This graph is not happy, but it is extremely pretty. Look at that, that's so cool. I love that. Oh my goodness. The poor chat. The poor chat has been ravaged by the alphabet boy. Who would win? 26 letters of the alphabet or one chat boy? I think it's been rate limited. Who's this just stopped coming through? Oh my god. Yes, a bar plot, perhaps. Not what we want. So maybe df. Actually, you could probably just leave it at df2, and I'll go lie, and just have df2 and then quarter. Quarter. Yeah, and just have that. Oh, okay. Can I remove this? How do I want to remove this? Okay, I deleted the wrong one. That's fine. Okay, I'm just gonna get rid of all of them. Go, die, 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 die. Die, 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 die. And then do this one. I want to see this one. I have no idea what this is at the top. Just got an email from Domino's Pizza. Nice. What is that line at the top? I literally have no idea. Does it say? Where is my bar plot documentation? There it is. What the? Parameters. Long form and wide form. We can make wide peepo bar. Oh, wait, yes, I think it's like error. Oh yeah, we can like hue them. I forgot about that. So we could do hue of like. All right, see you later, Soda. Thank you for joining the stream. DF2. I guess what else? What else is there? I don't know what else there is. Whatever. We'll leave that one for now. We'll move on to a different plot. I'm gonna see if I can get away with doing like with just mangling this data set to do everything on this that I want to do. So we got a KDE plot. I think this is kind of useless in this sort of thing. Actually, we could do a KDE plot. I think fig equals plt.figure. SNS dot bar plot. No, we want a KDE plot equals data equals df2. Welcome VJ Din to the stream. Hope you're doing okay. Oh, that's bad. Oh, you've gone back. Thank you, King Zelly, for the follow, by the way. I am definitely paying attention. I might actually put that on the side. Like I had it last time. Oops. Can you move, please? Apparently not. Move. Where is it? Move tab to new window. There we go. I want you over here, and I want you on the side. I want OBS there, and I want my Twitch video producer up, and I want my follow stuff on there. When I can actually get it. In Stream Manager? Yeah, Stream Manager. Then I get into the activity feed. The activity feed, well, God, the hitboxes on this menu are so awful. Pop out. There you go. And then I can close that, and then I can have this on the side, and then I can see how many things I've got. Oy. I think that means my Twitch is now super enlarged. No, it's not. Fantastic. Amazing. 100% incredible. I'm a genius. So x equals... Actually, do you even set x and a y? No, you don't, do you? You set a y, or x equals views, I guess. I mean, and that would probably give us... Oh, there we go. Density. Oh, that is a very interesting graph, isn't it? So as you can see here, well, this dip kind of indicates that I had a really massive growth spike at some point. Because typically there's like this huge plot of days from like 3/4 of a year up here, and then this is like this is where I've been recently, and it's just a dip down here when I was kind of getting from one point to another. That's actually a very interesting graph. Oh, really? Well, that's unfortunate. I did tell you to stop breaking the chat, but do you listen? No. these sort of things wouldn't happen if you didn't break the bot, you know? It's completely and entirely not a development fault. There isn't a bug. It just doesn't exist. There isn't a bug. It's online now. No one sees, no one sees. And no one sees. I'm death staring at the chat as though anyone can begin to see that. Oh, that brioche is so stale. I forgot I had it. It's just solid. There's no moisture in my brioche. Oh my god. Still tastes nice. Oh my god. Oh god, right. Let's... Do you ever lightly cook them in the oven? Yeah, I do. I do that with like hot chocolate and stuff, but I didn't bother with that today because I didn't have time. You put them in like 150 for 3-4 minutes. Although in my oven 150 is like 600 degrees, so is the stream delayed? It's probably delayed on your end. No, I haven't dropped any frames. Oh, actually, I could just should do fig.show, shouldn't I? There you go. Welcome, Pranshu Sabal. Sabarwal, there we go. Couldn't tell if that was an I or an L. Welcome to the stream. Hope you are doing okay. Oh my god, the heckin' stonks. Do you remember at the start of the stream, Anna, when you were complaining about being poor? Wasn't someone else doing it? I was pretty sure it was either Aurora or Banana was like, yeah, I said your name, Pranshu Sabal. Indeed I did. Yes, those were the days. It was you, okay. I knew it was one of you. Right, next plot, I guess. That's actually a really interesting plot. That's giving me some data that you can't get from the YouTube Analytics API. Well, you can get it from the YouTube Analytics API. You can't get it from YouTube Studio. Yeah, and then the small load of $1 million came in, and yeah. Or 1 million credits. The superior currency suffers from absolutely no hyperinflation whatsoever. I should just thought with a density plot, you can actually do like stuff like this. Never mind. Never mind. You can't do that. Well, that's unfortunate. The thing is, views is like so massively. What we could do is we could do this again and do subscribers gained versus subscribers lost. Subscribers gained and then subscribers lost. Oh. Cannot interpret subscriber every time. I always spell subscribers like that. I don't know why. So this is a particularly flattering graph of subscribers gained versus subscribers lost. So subscribers lost, if I ever lose subscribers, it's hardly ever, like by the time you get down to 5. Actually, you know what, that's not the right sort of plot for that. We need an EDCF plot, I think. Or was it ECDF? I think it's ECDF actually. God knows what that stands for, but it does some crazy maths to do this. So essentially this is showing like the proportion. So you kind of look at everything underneath the line, and where this line is kind of where is how much data is under there. So at 2.5, we can see that it's about like at a 95%. So that up here is like saying that approximately 95% of the data has already been, is less than 2.5. All right, I'll come back. Oh. So I've actually found a use for the ECDF plot. Nice. I could probably use this. I could probably use my analytics. See, I wanted to use my analytics because I wanted to have like a data set that was mine, that I didn't have to worry about like the copyright for or anything. And also I don't give a damn if other people want to use this data set either. So other people can simply just grab this data set. They can grab even more live information using my analytics Python package on the Python package index. That's currently in alpha 1 and doesn't have any docs, but we don't talk about that. And then yeah. So I'm actually kind of glad we can do this many plots out of it, because I was kind of wondering. No, I want the API. I think that I actually used this as part of my dissertation, the Seaborn stuff, and I think I spent like 9 hours just plotting stuff. It's really fun. I actually really like it. I'm not gonna lie. I am a data scientist and a half, so we can actually put a rug plot on here, I think. sns.rugplot. Actually, I'm gonna set data equals data, and then no, that's not good. And then data equals this, and then data equals data, and then the y equals the views, and then that should put stuff on the side. Yes, this has like a different thing. Actually, if you set the alpha for it, that's actually more useful. Alpha equals 0.05. Okay, maybe not that low for this particular plot, because everything's kind of quite massively spread out by looks of things. But you can kind of see like where, like the number of plots. They're there, so you can kind of, this is more like a distribution thing. Has the bank above 1 million at all the time. Yeah, it's Aurora's betting like stupid amounts of money. Like always. Oh, I'm too late. How much have I actually got in there? I've got 500,000 now. So I'm actually gonna do polynomial depression on here, as I like to call it. What did you do by the time I was gone? I did this plot, and I think I may have done the density one. I don't remember when you left. I should state that it is actually called polynomial regression, what I'm going to do, not polynomial depression, but it feels fairly accurate. So I do actually also need that other thing back up that it had. I have so many windows open. Why does this always happen when I stream? No, I didn't want Firefox. I wanted the files. I still don't know where I got that. I got that from somewhere. It might have been VineSource Joel. Where I got that from. So programs, Carberra fans, data analysis, and then carbonatics.ipimb. And it'd be yeah, this polyreg thing that sort of works and sort of doesn't. I haven't really decided if it works yet or not. Oh no, we don't want that over there, do we? We want that over here, and then I guess we'll just have to have that open on one side. We can copy this, and we can put that in here, and then that's defined. And then we have our polyplot here. Fig.plot. Nope. Fig equals plt.figure. And then a fig.show. X is not defined. Amazing. Why are you just counting? You're gonna get rate limited eventually, you know. Oh yeah, this was the stupid thing I had to do. I remember this now. So essentially, what I had to do was I had to like convert. All right, I'm gonna run this as though this wasn't a thing. And you do df day, and you get this error saying that you can't do timestamp of float. You can't do i.timestamp for I in df day because it'll get max arg is an empty sequence. That's not actually the error I got before, but you can't do that using the standard date time. So what I had to do, believe it or not, was I had to convert an entire column from year, month, day format into year.percentage complete. And this is what I came up with. And it's the worst, but it works. Look, we can have a polynomial regression of something. I think 2 is like slightly too low. And you have 3, yeah, and then 4. And then 4's like, it complains at 4 for this particular set. Even though 2 is actually like, you could potentially argue that is just more accurate. So if I bring in if I bring in the scatter plot here, bringing that there, you can see, yeah, that is actually kind of a more accurate. And then if you go for 3, it kind of it follows the curve more greatly, but then it kind of breaks. No, hang on, let me make this a bit bigger because I set this like super big last time. So it kind of it like it follows it more up here, but it breaks down here for some reason. So the prediction is just like really off. But if you have 2, then it also doesn't really work either. So I guess 3 is better. See it been on a slight decline because of December. Yeah, December was kind of rough. Welcome Hunter to the stream. Hope you're doing okay. If you actually get analytics for like a different time period, so I guess if we get analytics for like the last 6 months, which is, oh, someone help me. How many days is that? I guess like 180 days. So if I just get rid of like all this for now, and then report equals report like 180. Because I suppose what's 90? 90 days is 3 months. That's the last quarter. And we'll do it for half a year, so 180. We'll do 120. We'll do 120 days. Actually, what? Actually, I could do like 8 weeks. Or no, that's 2 months. Whatever, we'll just do 120 days. YouTube analytics default metrics, start date equals dt.date.today minus dt.time delta days equals 120. And we don't actually need to pass the end date in because the end date is automatically set to today. So we can just do day like here, and then we can do report 120.2csv carb 120.csv, and then we can run this. So python get analytics.py, and we've got to re-authenticate the service because fun times. And it's doing this again? Really now? God damn it, I hate the Google authentication flow sometimes. Am I even on the leaderboard anymore? Oh, I am. There I am. Max is going to come back to this next time he watches the stream, and he's going to be so confused. He'll be like, what the hell happened here? I'm actually getting involved in one of these, as I'm not missing out this time. There's someone. Oh, someone joined. Who was it? Vikranth. Welcome to the stream. I hope you're doing okay. Yeah, I want to continue. I want to allow. We can get the report. The data, and we have this Carb 120. Now we could do some analysis on that. So if I load in, if I just grab this one, and then put that here. I could do like another cell, can't I? Move that up. DF. Call this one DF 120, I think. Just so it's consistent. DF 120. Then we run that. Then we have our data for the last. Oh, it's loading the wrong one. That would explain a lot. Yeah, so it actually starts exactly from November. That's really interesting. And then, oh, hello. 120, and then 120. And then, okay, it's poorly conditioned at 3. Oh yeah, so you can see we've kind of, there was a slump in the middle and then it came back up. But it's poorly conditioned at 3 apparently. And then one is literally just, yeah, it's a slight, if you linearly regress it, it's a slight move up, but polynomial is more accurate. So you can see that we're kind of around the same sort of point that we were in November. Yeah. Welcome some absolutely random stuff. The bot only works in Twitch. It's not a YouTube bot. You are more than welcome to watch on YouTube if you want, but if you want to use the bot, then hop over to Twitch and use that. It goes there. While I'm talking about my different services, for those of you new, I have a Discord server if you're not in it. You can join it using the link in the description. I also have some other stuff, so obviously the YouTube channel and that. If you're enjoying this stream, make sure to like it. Consider subscribing to the channel and following the Twitch. It would be really useful and helpful if you do that. If you're feeling super generous and you want to donate, then you can do so using the YouTube Super Chat. Or you can support me on Patreon or donate directly via PayPal. And all those stuffs besides the PayPal donation link in the description, I need to add that to the descriptions, really. Because apparently, I wasn't aware of this, but people want to donate to me on PayPal. Which is not something I was aware people actually would do. So yeah, I've got to start promoting that a bit more. Because last time someone gave me 40 quid, just out of the blue. You already subscribed, nice. Don't have money. That is also fine. The content is available for free for everyone, so it's only it's entirely optional. You just watching the videos and being here is enough for me. I do like the numbers. Plus, you watching the YouTube videos gives me ad revenue, so you're technically making YouTube pay me. I actually don't know what my ad revenue figures were in January. I should probably look that up. I can do that using using this. Oh my goodness. 2 hours, Christ. It's nighttime here, so gotta go. Oh, that's fair enough. No, right. Oh my god, Anna, you are getting the hard. Are you going for the win here? I can clearly see that you're going for the win. So let's while everyone's doing stonks in the chat, let's do stonks in the stream. So we can do perhaps plt.figure, and then SNS equals. I guess we'll do a line plot for now. Data equals df. Actually, we'd want to do 120, don't we? df 120. X equals day, and then Y equals, I think, gross revenue. Line plot is not defined. Oh yeah, because I'm kind of a bit of an idiot. And we also need to do fig.show. Oh. So not can't no oh It's Y, not V. I am dumb. Well, there we go. Yeah, so spot the day where where YouTube accepted me as a partner. Let me make that a bit bigger for people. This 25 seems pretty good. Yeah, there we go. Yeah. There was one day in particular like where YouTube accepted me. It was the 12th of October. I started getting monetized, and then it's kind of stayed really stable across then. It's been going up slightly. It kind of went down in January, but here, like days around here, like look at this day. What happened here? That's almost £7. Actually, that's probably a day I got a transaction. Interestingly, like transactional or otherwise, streams tend to make more money than the videos do out of ad revenue, which is really bizarre. Even though most people watch them on Twitch, it's still a thing. It's crazy. It's really very odd. I'm also going to make that 12 because that does not need to be that wide. So let's see, DF120. Oh, DF120 day is greater than dt.date 2021 01 oh 11. That should just snow. Oh yeah, it's daytime. It wants a daytime. So this is just January statistics. So as you can see, some days went really well and some days didn't. I think ad revenue is another option. No, it's not. For parameter Y, I need the preview back up again, really, don't I? I can never remember what the tables are called. See a message. I'll have a look at it after the stream. What is it? Is it monetized playback? No, it's estimated ad revenue and an estimated revenue. But for some reason, like these two, like don't always add up. Because you got this is the estimated revenue. I don't know where that comes from. And then on YouTube I can see it. And then this is the ad revenue figure. I don't know where that comes. Well, obviously I know where that comes from. And then you got the gross revenue. But like I don't know where. So like I don't know how. So this estimated revenue is 3.56. I don't know where that 3.56 has come from. There's then this £2.01 in advertising revenue, and then that somehow culminates to 365. I don't know how. And really bizarrely, like some of my really early days in I was just shuffled. What have I done? Oh no, Carb 120. Oh, it's just getting... What the hell? I think I've sorted it accidentally. Oh, there we go, yeah. So for some reason, like some of the earlier days, like they got like super high numbers. Like I don't know, like where did that come from? And then it goes down. I don't know how this is all calculated. This is the big one. This is 631, but I literally have no idea how. I just don't know how. I don't know how this is calculated at all. What we could probably do is estimated ad revenue, and then that should work. Okay, so yeah, that kind of goes all over the place. And then we can do estimated just revenue, and then see, like, look, it matches a lot of the time, but then there are other days where the estimated revenue just skyrockets. That could be transactions, but then the gross revenue is always different. But look, so I'm getting income from somewhere other than ads, clearly, because the ad revenue is the blue one, and then the estimated revenue is the orange one, which is the same. But I think the estimated revenue includes the ad revenue. And then the gross revenue is the green one, but I don't know what happens between the estimated revenue and the estimated ad revenue. No, so I don't know what happens between the estimated revenue and the gross revenue for that to happen. Like, I have no idea. Yeah, Cider, we can see them. Like, I have no idea what happens there. Whatever it is a good thing, because I'm getting more money. But I don't know what happens. Welcome Black White Life to the stream. Hope you're doing okay. We're doing data analysis and stuff. Specifically, we've been working on analyzing my YouTube analytics over different amounts of time. Constantly goes above and below the zero line. Is that like the following? Is that the follower one? Yeah, people can see your messages on Twitch. Because Banana said it earlier, I think. Or Aurora, one of the two. You're $7. This is in pounds. So it's... If you multiply this by 1.35, you get it in dollars. Or is it? Is it? No, I think it's in USD, actually. I think I have to pass it. Wait, let me check that. Currency... That'd be... Yeah, it'd be currency. I think this is an option. I'm pretty sure it is. Currency equals GBP. And then report 2 GBP. And then we'll see if they're different. Because I actually don't know if it's getting in USD or GBP right now. I think it's getting in USD because the default... Even though the library is made by a Brit, the default currency is USD because, don't say we don't make sacrifices for you. Or you Yankees out there. Or Yanks, or whatever they were called. So these figures, are they different? That's the big question. They appear to be. They are different, yeah. So okay, so it was in GBP. It was in USD before. Now it's in GBP. So yeah, it is actually $7. I do apologize. That was my mistake. Plots, we can get rid of that. That's the one we want. No, it's not. Yeah, this is the one we want. Yeah. So like either way, like it's just. Oh, right, I see, Anna. Yeah, that used to happen to me quite a lot near the start. Where the subscriber goal, or the subscriber line would kind of go above and below quite a lot. Now it typically just stays above. After a certain point, you just kind of get consistent numbers. These are commands for the bot, and they're not dummies. They're using the bot, which we have. You can type plus help to thingy. What packages am I using? I'm using, well, to actually get the analytics. Another opportunity for a shill, lads. We're using my library on the Python package index. It's called Analytics, and you can get YouTube Analytics data using. If I get rid of this for a second, because this is like just a complete example. So this, for example, will get all your metrics for the last 120 days, time-based in GBP. And it will save it as a CSV. And then we're loading that into this. And then we're using date time. And we're using NumPy and Pandas for data manipulation. And then Matplotlib and Seaborn for graphing. You probably haven't heard of Seaborn. But rerun the grapher. No, we got dummies. Yeah, okay, fair enough. It goes into minus. If I post it, skyrockets. I guess that makes sense. YouTube doesn't have that same pattern. It's completely random. It's really odd. Like you can post. The one pattern I have noticed is that the views and stuff go up. They spike on days that I stream, which is why I kind of want to stream more. Welcome Max to the stream. Hope you're doing okay. Don't question the economy. There's 100% nothing went wrong at all. But I forgot what I was saying now. I completely forgot. Oh yeah, about the thing. About graphs and stuff. But yeah, that's kind of the only pattern I've noticed. Like, it doesn't matter how between like if I upload or not. There are like times where I haven't uploaded for like a week, and the subscribers just suddenly skyrocket for like 5 days, and I don't know why. It's really bizarre. What's a YouTube channel? It's called Carberra Tutorials. It's down below. It's in the thing, in the description thing. It's not a panel. It's just a link at the moment. But I'll make panels at some point. I don't know why I've got this on my phone. Actually, I've got the activity feed on the thing. Yeah, I feel as though there's something we could do with this. With this graph. But I don't know what. Rerun all the cells. Why? It'll just do the same thing again. I mean, I can, but... There they are. It did exactly the same thing. So I feel as though there's something else we can like do with this. GG for that money. Thank you. Yeah, I'm getting about £50 a month at the moment, which is pretty good. Once I get more data, I need to do like month by month analysis on it. 1.8k. Is it saying 1.8k at the moment? Because it was like 1.76 last time I looked. Be interested to see if it's already gone back up to like if it's already gone up to 1.8. I didn't want that button. Phone. That's fine. You don't have to do what I tell you to do. Yeah, it's still 1.76 on my screen. Oh well. But yeah, it's around that number. Tell you what I did find out the other day though. This was like really, really weird. I went on Social Blade. Okay. So, like, my microphone. Oh, that's a sound. Jesus. That's my microphone stand. Oh no. Yes, happy birthday. Pretty much. I so wish it did it for like Twitch chat. That'd be so funny to see what it came up with. So I went on all right. I'm not going to do it anymore. That is actually, I don't know how loud that is in the mic, but that is piercingly loud in my thing. So I went on Social Blade and did the predictions thing, like any normal person would do. Yeah, it does actually. It sounds exactly like that. And I looked because I had a goal that I thought was very ambitious at the time of that I wanted to get 5,000 subscribers by 2022, by the turn of 2022. However, I went on Social Blade and I looked at the predicted figures, and there is a very, very real chance that I'm gonna hit 10k by 2022. If the rate of growth of acceleration stays the same, or at least doesn't go down, there's a chance that I'll be in 5-figure subscriber numbers by the end of the year. Which is nuts. It's currently predicting mid-January 22. But if like the Pillow series does well and the data analysis series does well, then that number's going to go up. The Discord.py series will continue to carry the channel regardless of any other factors. and maybe I'll actually get it. But you'll see. I don't know. I was kind of a bit in shock when I think it was yesterday I looked at that, or the day before. I was like, what the hell? And then I spilled chocolate powder all over my bloody fox kigurumi and all over my floor, so I dove at that immediately afterwards. I dropped, those hot chocolate powder things you could do, you get. I dropped one of those, it went all over my kitchen floor. I was so upset. And of course, literally the only thing I owned that was like bright orange got covered in it. The pillow tutorial is currently scheduled to start on the 15th of February. So, yeah, hopefully I can do it. We'll see. We will see. Twitch affiliate is another goal. I at least want to get to the standard of Twitch affiliate. But whether I take it or not is a different story. If you have face cam, we get more subscribers. Yeah, well, I might need to like redo the poll with that, because I ran a poll a while ago and it was like overwhelmingly not in favor of a face cam. Like, people really didn't want it. But what I've been thinking of doing is doing like intros recorded, like where so I talk into the camera to do the intro and then it cuts to like the screen and then it does, and then the code is in there. But I don't know. I need to think about it. Yeah, that's the thing. Like, some people really like it, some people really don't. That's the problem. It's incredibly polar. It's the same sort of thing. Like, some people really like music for tutorial videos, and some people really don't. Like with the face cam thing, I don't mind either way. But the music, I hate music in coding tutorials. Yeah, that was kind of what I was potentially thinking. The gaming stuff is going to happen. The gaming stuff will launch alongside the new rebrand, which I kind of want to get that done by the 10th, if possible. February the 10th. What we're gonna have to do, Anna, is we're gonna have to spend like a day or like a few hours just brainstorming logo ideas. How much the top you oh god, it depends. Ad revenue is not directly proportional to subscriber count, so it's incredibly difficult to tell. Because PewDiePie has the most subscribers of a solo channel, but he does not make the most money. Not even close. So it's I mean, subscriber count does have an impact, but it's also algorithm favorability. So it's just, yeah, who makes the most money? There's some kids that does toy reviews that makes the most money. Like, I think like the top 10 earning YouTube channels are toy review channels. Yeah, we need to like brainstorm together, because I have like no ideas. That's why I asked you for paper, so if I come up with an idea I can just sketch it down real quick rather than spending like 2 hours doing it on GIMP and then realising it looks crap. I do have an idea, but I don't think I showed you it, but I'm not sure of it at all. Yeah, toy review, yeah. Toy reviews, they are the big money makers. I'm pretty sure it's like at least the top 5 Carberra toy reviews. I'm not a kid, it wouldn't work, unfortunately. It has to be a child. It kind of makes me wonder how they make the money in the first place. Because it's a toy review made by a kid, so they have to say it's made for kids. So targeted advertising revenue is gone. So if that was still enabled, then that kid would probably be making like maybe 10 times as much as he is. Have a kid that, yeah, I'll just birth one tomorrow. That's a good idea. Code review. What do you mean code review? Program toys and then hire a kid to play with it. Hire a kid. That's amazing. 2 channels. I'm already with the gaming stuff, that'll be a 2nd channel. Step 1, get kid. Yeah, step 1, abduct child. Don't do that. Actually, I'm not advocating that. I'll make the joke, but immediate disclaimer. So YouTube doesn't ban me from the platform forever. By sponsors, yeah, that's very true. That's very true. Oh yeah, because it'd be all in the hands of the parents. Because the parents would be like their managers. Oh, judging code and stuff. I could do something like that. I wouldn't want to do it for viewers though. That's a bit rough. Fully started enforcing copyright. Yeah. And a voice changer. I don't understand the whole point of VTuber. There's this one, what is it? Neuralis, I think. I watched a video. It was a collaboration between Pangaea Panga and Neuralis. And it was the most forced interaction I think I've ever seen in my life. It was awful. I couldn't watch the video. I absolutely love Panga. He's great. I used to literally make lunch and sit down and watch a video while having lunch. I couldn't watch that video. Or maybe it's just Neuralis in particular, but it was so rough. I'm 22 and a quarter. Third year uni, baby! Imagine being taught by, well, I say being taught by the university, that's probably a bit of a stretch, but imagine still being a student while also being the teacher. Force the whole cutesy person. Yeah, that could work. A Google form, we upload our code and get others and follow. Make a video watching a review. My Google just went off. Well, I did have a programming challenges thing before, and then because everyone said, "Oh, we'd really love like programming challenges and stuff. That'd be awesome," and I did it, and no one did it, so I scrapped it. Speedrun.com API, that could be good for analytics actually. Welcome, Laxity. Is it Laxity or Laxity? TYY or whatever it is. Thank you, not thank you. Welcome. That's the one. I can speak. Welcome to the stream. Hope you're doing okay. Could potentially do one on the Streamlabs API. Not Streamlabs API. Speedrun.com API. I didn't actually know Speedrun.com had an API, but that makes perfect sense. Right, what other... We'll leave that for now. What other plots? I want to do... So I'm trying to think of 2 dimensions that would go well for this joint plot. Where is it? It was like a joint plot, and I want to do like a... Well, you can actually do it. Heat map a histogram. So hist plot, and where's the joint plot stuff? Because joint plots are really cool. Or joint grids. So with a hist plot, it's like so it's a standard histogram as you'd expect, but when you're comparing 2 dimensions together, it can actually become you can do so much stuff with it, and then it can become a heat map. There we go, yeah. So you can become a heat map, and that's really cool. And I'm trying to think of like 2 dimensions that'll work with that, but I can't think of anything. Let's see, where is it? We'll use this one. Split editor right. No, that's the wrong button. It's this. I always get that button wrong. What are you trying to do? I'm trying to think of 2 dimensions in this that work for what I'm trying to do. Thing is, likes and comments just are not. Everything starts at 0. I could do estimated minutes watched potentially. But yeah, everything is kind of like 0 based. It's not really like there's no real evenly distributed data here because it's I'm just trying to think of something. There's videos added. Of videos added and videos removed. Oh, is it just done? Oh no, this is videos added to playlists, videos removed from playlists. So this is like people, damn, 56. So this is people favoriting videos, and I don't think it's liking them. No, it doesn't. It doesn't include liking them. So people have to like actually. Yeah, this is data from my YouTube channel for the last 120 days. I've got some 2020 data here. Somewhere I think it's oh, that could have gone wrong. You don't worry, you need the whole file. It's fine. Actually, let me just double check that is. Okay, yeah. The actual important bit didn't appear on the stream, so it's fine. The client ID, I believe, is public information. So that's a-okay. It's just a token, which is way off, so it's fine. This is data for 20. Yeah. So and we've been doing analytics here. This is all graphs for stuff. This is like manipulation, all sorts. We've done loads of crazy stuff. But I want to do all right. We'll try a joint grid because I think there's probably something we could do. The thing is, I need something that looks like this. I need like 2 dimensions that's gonna return something like this. You're trying to generate graphs, yeah, but I want to generate a graph that looks like this. So it has like stuff spread out all over the place. And the thing is with YouTube dimensions is that they all start at 0, so it's really difficult. Did nobody win the hack? Okay, give me 1 second. I will try and get that fixed by next stream. I'm going 2 hours 30 minutes. Fair enough. But it's like, I guess potential estimated minutes watched could work. I think it's all. What we can do, we can just like try stuff, I suppose. So if we do, we can do a histogram of I keep typing. I'm so used to typing the word git in here. SNS. It occurred to me the other day that I don't know why they called it git. Because I never questioned it, but git is an insult. I don't know why they call git git. Unless it stands for something. Yeah, it's probably your Twitch that's broken. SNS dot. There's a chance you were like quite badly rate limited. Because you were spamming the chat earlier, to be fair. SNS.histplot and then data equals df. And we can do x equals likes. And then y equals dislikes. And then fig.show. And then, yeah, so that's not good at all. Estimated. Actually, we could do average view percentage. And then wasn't there like another one? No, that's rough. Yeah, probably. It stands for geospatial information technology, so it does stand for something. I see. Well, that answers that question. Literally hadn't questioned it before, like 2 days ago. Go with that. I don't know why I closed that. I didn't want to close that really, did I? Estimated. So you can like detect correlations and stuff, but I want stuff that's like not correlated at all. I think is what I'm going for here. So minutes watched. No, versus likes, perhaps. No, but likes is just too low. Oh, I see. We're in this rough. I think it's because we're doing it off the 2020 database, and there's a lot of stuff. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to get the final quarter. So start date equals df.date 2020. We can actually do it. Let's do from. Oops. Let's do from the 1 year anniversary, because that will give us some decent data. And then Carberra, and then report. Oh, I'll just call it report. I can't be asked anymore. Report.csv, and then it'd be carb, and I suppose, oops. And then Python, get analytics.py. I've got to reauth it. Streamer, Illumina, let me make a bot for him. Discord bot. I don't know who that is, unfortunately. It says here is this one here, the Carberra. So now we want to load in another okay. We're gonna load in. I'm just doing it all in one notebook. DFA equals. Actually, we need to copy paste the other one because we need to convert it into date time format. Actually, to be fair, user geography would have all sort of probably lots of uncorrelated information, but unfortunately, Analytics doesn't support that yet. Oh, that's annoying. Because it's still like hardcore alpha. Like the first alpha of it came out. The first alpha of it came out today. What are you doing on the gaming channel? Probably a few PS2 games, Wii games, PC games, just whatever I feel like. Probably a lot of Mario Kart. It'd be quite a lot of. You know what I did on that one Discord stream where I just got bombed when I played MK mods the whole time. And there'll be collaborations and stuff as well. I haven't done collabs in ages, so I want to do a collab with my friend Magnus. His real name is Tarek, but his YouTube name is Magnus. Because he lives in Australia, the lag is rough. So we're probably going to do Super Mario 64 Bingo. Or at least that was an idea that I had. That's really cool. I really want to do. And then me and Anna will be doing stuff as well, because she is a hardcore pro streamer. So if you want to see that, then feel free to go. But yeah, we'll be doing stuff like that. So, and I'll probably be around on other channels too. But I just want to do the gaming stuff again because I miss it. It's been like a year since I did it because I was focusing on Carberra, and I love doing Carberra, I do. But I miss doing the gaming stuff, and I want to do that as well. I'm not going to take the gaming stuff too seriously. It's just mainly going to be me messing around with stuff. I'm probably streaming whenever I feel like it, honestly. Okay, so this should give us a... Okay, never mind. Okay, that gives us a somewhat better graph. It gives us a very odd graph, actually. The average view percent and the number of likes is negatively correlated. Actually, I don't think that's loaded correctly. I think that's kind of an inaccurate statistic to use. Maybe average view duration? Although that'd be the same. Well, that's kind of a better one. There we go. What type of graph is it? This is technically a histogram. It's I suppose even more technically a heat map. So you can see the stuff like everywhere. Okay, so we can use the joint grid out of this. We can. Okay. So grid equals SNS.joint grid. I love joint grids. They're great. And then axis. No, we don't want to do an axis, do we? We want to do plot. Axis. I think we do this on axis dot grid dot marge ax. Is that it? Ax marge. What is it? Back to the API we go. What is it? got to be something. Oh, it's ax marg x. I forget. Yeah. So that goes on. Oh, no, this goes on the joint then. Oops. Yeah, that goes on the joint. And then you do about ICR module. I mean the IRC module. You can, but I'm not gonna go into too much detail on stream. I tend not to do support cases here, but if it's a really simple question, I can answer it. Then we do SNS dot. Actually, do we even do grid dot plot? I think you don't have to do plot joint and then plot marginals, I believe, otherwise it doesn't work. Whoops. Funk. Oh, we don't actually have to do this, but this is just what I wanted it. SNS, so SNS dot kde plot, data equals DFA, x equals, oh god. Can I even do this? Oh no, that's gonna create like this weird contour map. We don't want grid.ax marginal x. And then I really hope I'm doing this the right way around, because I really don't know. I'm gonna be brutally honest with you. Ax, oh, it's ax marg x as well, isn't it? Midum. There we go. That's a graph. You need to pip install it. Is it Somi or Sammy? It's Somi. You need to pip install it. Yeah, that's a graph. It's not a very useful graph, but it's a graph. So we do, oh no, like views, I guess. We could, well, actually the views to the likes is like very positively correlated. What is going on over here? Oh, I see. Yeah, there we go. Actually, it's not as positively correlated as I remember. Yeah, I need to turn the option off to color people's names, because I don't color them accurately, and like literally any color against Restream Blue is awful. Honestly. So can I just do that now? Is that a thing? No, I can do settings. Appearance. This might unload the chat. It did unload the chat. Fantastic. Colorize authored names. I'm gonna get rid of that, and then I believe that's now saved. Oh no, it didn't. It just put on an overlay. Show avatars. You what? Oh, there we go. That's a lot easier to read. I can show avatars. Hang on 1 second. Hang on one gosh diddly dang second. Show avatars. That changed nothing. Fantastic. Fair enough, I suppose. Fair enough. So turn off. Show view account if sure. Compact mode. What's non? Oh yeah, we want compact mode. Okay. So this, I need to like work out like I could do like likes versus comments, I suppose. Oops. And then if I do this and do comments. Never mind. Oh yeah, because this is one outlet. Okay, so YouTube, there's like this weird day. You got banned for 24 hours. Yeah, that was probably the rate limiting thing. So, okay, this is like this really weird thing. I'm going to get rid of this for a second. In here, somewhere, is df, be like max, df, comments, so it'd be dfa. Yeah, one day here, I got 453 comments. Wait, let me see if I can output the entire row. And I don't know where that came from. So df, no, it'd be df comments equals df or max df comments. Oh, look on. Oh, never mind. What is it now? Why are you not doing it? That should be doing it. Oh, DFA and then DFA. I see. There we go. Yeah, so on the 31st of July 2020, I got 453 comments. Like, what? So if I do DFA dot DFA A2 equals DFA dot copy, the DFA 2 dot sort, and I think I can just do like comments. Oops. Data has no attribute sort. Really? That's annoying. Hack, bro. Okay, I'll fix that in a second. No, it's not the comments for this chat. I don't think it is. Otherwise, it would be like it's available indefinitely. Lord Gaming. Like, I don't know where it came from. I don't know what happened that one day. Oh, it's sort values. God damn, why is it sort values? Yeah, there we go. And we've got DFA 2.head. We'll see here, like the comments. Okay, that just didn't. Oh, it's because I DFA 2.head. Oh, it's in. Actually, no, it doesn't do it in place, does it? So I can do this, and then okay. Okay, it's it'd be descending then. Oh, what? Oh, it's ascending. Oh, for God's sake. Ascending equals false. Yeah, so 450. Oh, I've got 316. Oops. I just realised that's actually wrong. It's 10 that, isn't it? So it's not that either. Oh, God's sake. Oh no, you have to do like that. Yeah, you have to do that. So this is the top 10. So you can see like on the 31st of July 2020, I've got 453. The 3rd of August, I've got 316. On the 11th of November, I got 230. On the 13th of November, I got 222. So these aren't. Did these match up with when I streamed? On this side so I can tell. Anyone join the stream since I've been ranting? I don't think so. So live. So let's look at live streams and see if they match up. So that one. They actually do. It's counting stream comments. That's so stupid. Why is that a thing? That makes the whole comments column useless. That was the whole thing completely useless. If I use the code now, I wouldn't host for a year. You would get 2 months for free, then you would have to pay the discounted rate thereon forever. But you'd still get a discount. If you're not going to use it, there's no point in getting it now. Just get it at the time, and you get 2 months of actually using it for free. Yeah, it can. Okay. So that sorts that one. Thank you to whoever suggested looking at that. That's so stupid. Oh god, that's rough. That's real rough. I need something with like a lot of. Okay, our views and oh God's sake. And then estimated minutes watched correlated. They're very heavily correlated. Look at that. That's actually a decent graph. I'm kind of happy with that. As like an example. You can see here we have, if I zoom in on it, so we have like the density of views up here, and then you have another density plot of estimated minutes watched down here, and then in the middle we have a histogram of them all. We can actually make a KDE plot here and it turns into a contour, but I feel like it's less useful in all honesty. What we can do, I don't know if this works inside this. Oh, it does. Look at that. It looks a bit weird. That was very weird, actually. Yeah, but so you can have a color bar to show you like the density figures. It doesn't work in I wonder if there's like a subplot. I don't know if there is. There might be a way of subplotting it over. Yeah, another thing I want to do while I'm here is I want to just grab this. Don't need the grid. I want to do subplots. So fig and then axis 1, axis 2. 1, 2, I believe. No. Then we do sns.line plot. Data equals. We'll do the DFA 1, and then x equals day, and then y equals likes, and then axis equals axis 1. And then we'll do that on axis 2, and then we'll have dislikes on here. And then we can have, what is it? I think it's fig.set size inches, and then like 12.6 or something will be fine for this. Never mind, I was wrong. Whoops, what have I done there? There we go. So this is my. So on the left is my run of likes over the last some amount of days since the year anniversary. See, there was one day up here got more than 70 likes in one day. Holy mother! That was somewhere in November. And then over here, this is number of dislikes. So the number of dislikes can actually go down. I think that's like someone. I think someone removed a dislike, and then no one disliked anything that day. And then it's just like the total number. I just got -1 dislikes in a day. Welcome PC Gamer to the stream. Hope you're doing okay. How long have we been going? Are we at the 3-hour mark yet? Almost. I'll do a bit more shilling at the 3-hour mark. There's so many plots up here. My God, I'm gonna get rid of that. I can probably do like. I kind of want to do like a super plot of stuff. So I want to do This is views. This is views over the last 120 days. I guess what we'll do. Yeah, we'll use the DF 120 for this one. Has book got minus credits again? I believe I fixed them. What happened in the stream? I heard from my friend that there was a huge bug explosion. Yes. There may or may not have been some hyperinflation caused by a bank error. It wasn't actually a bank error. It was essentially what happened was there was no check to make sure that you were actually betting like a positive number of credits. So you could bet a negative number, and then if you lost, it subtracted a minus number from your total, and you ended up gaining like huge amounts of money. And the economy hasn't really recovered, or at least it hasn't stabilized. What was I doing? I was doing something. Bank in your favor, collect 100 million. It literally was. The bank did take kind of like a really hardcore F. What was I going to do? I forget what I was going to do. I was going to do something. What was it? You get the discount for as long as you're paying for it. So if you don't use it, but you're still paying for it, they're not going to say, no, you're not paying for this anymore. But you'll still get a discount, yeah. So you get 2 months free, and then you get 20% off forever, regardless of how active the server is. So if the server's just inactive the whole time, and you're paying for it, and you still pay for it, and you still have it, and you still get the discount, but you're just paying for something that you're not using at that point. Alright, see you later, Banana Bun. It's been good to have you here. So fig equals... Right, let's do... I want to do like a super plot here. I want to do like this crazy line plot with like polynomial regression all over the place. So, and then we have a fig.show down the bottom here. Actually, what happens if I just do that? Does it just return an empty graph? Okay, it doesn't even render anything. Alright, see you later, Auroras. Good to have you here as well. So fig dot, no, it'd be SNS dot line plot. No, it'd be scatter plot. Scatter plot. Data equals df120, x equals day, and I just realised that's not going to work, is it? No, we can. Well, what I'm going to do is I'm not going to do that. I'm going to modify the financial graph up here, and I'm going to have this regress polynomially. So line polyplot. So we have line plot is and then I think it's still no, it's line 1. This is awful. Line what polyplot 1. We'll just do it like L1 and P1. P1 polyreg, and then that used to be estimated ad revenue. And these need to be scatters now. Scatter plot. Actually, you know what? We'll leave this one untouched, and then we'll do it on a separate one, I think. Do it on a separate cell, so we can enter cell down here. We can do this. And we have the same plot again. And now we're doing a scatter plot. And then, oops. And then we have, so we have a estimated. Oh yeah, that's fine. We don't need to worry about that. So we have that there, and then we have L1 P1 equals. Actually, do I have it saved on the paste buffer? Oh, it's Linux. Shit. I still need to get the I still need to get some sort of clipboard program. That's the one I wanted. L1 P1. Oh wow, we're getting really close to 3 hours. I need to get the activity viewer back up as well. So then we need to do estimated. I'm not even sure if this is gonna like work. Estimated ad revenue to, and then for the individual purchase. It's for the, yeah, it's for the server. God, what is going on? SNS.line plot data equals, wait, what is the other thing? Oh, I need to go back up and look. This is polyplot online. And you got P1, and this is L1. Oh my god. Okay. Float object cannot be interpreted as an integer. Oh. Just doing pence then. Oh, okay. Oh, that's really annoying. Okay. So we're going to have to define an x as well. So x, I kind of want this x back. And then we want the y as well, which equals np.array. I times 100. Oh, no, I want that to be an int. For I in. Oh, we're going to have to do that for all of them. What if you do this? Does that just work? No. Cannot convert the series to class int. There's got to be a series.toInt somewhere. Pandas series to int. Oh yes, as type. So B, I don't know why I did that. So B dot as type int. There we go. That didn't work. Day. It's going for 1975. You what? I think something's got a bit poopy there. Turn the heater on, it's cold in here. Oh, God's sake. So that... Oh wait, no, that's the polynomial regression. Oh, I see. Yeah, we gotta do this crazy crap. God damn it, man. Y1 equals that, and then y1, and then this we need to do as y1. Well, it's a smidgen less broken now, but it's still very broken. It's still going. The X is going all the way to 1976. What the hell is going on there? There we go. DF120 day, yeah. And then what? Why was that breaking? This needs to be X. I think. No. Length of ND array vectors much match the length of data when both are used, but X is the length of 25 and the vector bus X is length 118. That's not ideal. Okay, I think we can probably get rid of this now. Just run that, and then we end up with... Okay, so we end up with this stuff down here. So we need to, like... Oh my god. No, did I ever get the Q4? I got the AN, I didn't get the Q4, did I? No. Alright. Let's get another one. 2020, October the 12th. End date is today. Currency in USD. Screw it. Alright, see you later, Sidless. Thanks for stopping by. And then, yeah, so we get that, and then we get Carberra Rev. Get analytics.py, and then we need to re-authenticate it, because of course we do. Continue. Allow. Close that, and we now have Carberra Rev. So we don't need either of these anymore. We go in here, and instead we load up. I think just instead of the 120. Oh, that's view, so that's fine. We want, okay, so we want another cell here. We need to, this is starting to become really quite something now. Do you want DF R, and then we want that to be Carberra Rev. Instead of DF120 here, and then here. Oh, does it only do it inside the cell? I think I only did it inside the cell. Set that to DFR, so that is now... Oh, DFR is not defined. Oh, I've never run that. Anyway, so we're always getting... yeah, there's always some figure in the monetary now. And PLD figure, and this one needs to also be DFR. Run that, and there we go. Okay, so we've still got quite a low value down there. But that could just typically be considered an outlier, I think. That's fine to have. And then if we, yeah, so if we do, actually we don't need that anymore, do we? This is now in cents. Just to get the damn thing to work. 2 and then 3. Oh, why 2 is not far? Oh, yeah. This is a mess now. Estimated. So this is estimated revenue, and this is gross revenue. You see just these what the hell happened here? Oh yeah, that's that huge one. And then, so what happens now if we try and uncomment this and do this? Oh, it works now. Let's see if we can up the number of degrees. Oh, that's upping the line width. That's not what I wanted to do. Okay, so that is improperly fitted at 5. So 4 seems to be... Oh, it's improperly fitted at 4 as well. But 5 definitely gives us a better shot at that. Let me get rid of these two. Let me get rid of the terminal because I'm not using it anymore. Maybe poorly conditioned. Oh, I think that's fine. What does 4 give us? Gives us such a different graph, my god. And 2 gives us the same thing. 5 is the only one that actually goes into any sort of detail. I think that's probably the most accurate graph out of the 3. And now we move on to scatter plot number 2. And we've got to do... This is the worst. We set that to L2, P2, and L3, P3, and Y2, Y3, L2, L3, P1, P2, P3, and then L2 and L3, we then get 3 lines. Okay. So if we get rid of this one and we see what the 5 is far too big for that one. So maybe like 3. I think 3 might even be poorly conditioned. Yeah, 3 is even poorly conditioned. 2 is fine. It's just not getting detailed enough. Apparently 25 things just there's just no detail there. How interesting. I suppose because the graph it's not like varied enough. So that's fine. So we can comment that out and comment that in and then see what we get out of this one. So number 5 is like a huge effect on that. So I think 535. So my total revenue seems to be like entirely dependent on the other one. Those graphs just do not have a trend to them, do they? I love this. I kind of want to get rid of this outlier. In all honesty, DFR, because DFR, where I think it's the gross revenue, or no, it's the estimated revenue. I think. Actually, is there just sort of like an outlier detection in pandas? Pandas outlier detection. Is the chat still moving, by the way? I'm not sure. I can't tell if thank you Strada for following, by the way. I can't tell if like my chat's died or just everyone left at once. That was really weird. Detect and exclude outliers in Panda. There must be something. For each column, okay, I'll show you what I'm looking at. So I'm looking at this right now. Each column first computes the z-score of each value in the column relative to the column mean and standard deviation. Takes the z-score because the direction does not matter. If it's below the threshold. Oh, so the z-score thinks the difference. All columns satisfy the constraint. Finally, the result of the condition is used to index the data frame. Okay. So df equals df, and then I'm not writing all that out. Screw that. Then we also need to import SciPy at the top. There's so many graphs. I think I need to import scikit-learn. Pip install scikit-learn. Yep. Import sklearn. Oh no, from scipy import stats. There we go. Oh no, is it scipy or is it scikit-learn? Hang on. Pip install scipy. Apps. I don't actually have no idea. Which one that is? Whoops. So we now have scipy imported, so we can now do the thing. Where is it? DFR. There it is. Damn it! Stats is not defined. Did I not run the cell? Am I big that I didn't run the cell? There's so much stuff. Oh no, that's not good. Type error. Class type error. Return a result with an error set. I didn't fix it. Oh. Unsupported operand types for plus. Timestamp and timestamp. Great. We don't actually want all of them though. We only want to remove outliers for. Oh God's sake. This is an interesting problem that we're now having. So I don't want to. Oh no, I want to do it in DFR, not DF. It's still got an error, but timestamp and timestamp. Just don't do the first column then. It's not hard. Oh God. Okay. What we're gonna do is we're gonna do dot all. Actually, we can do axis equals 1. This might work. So we want columns, so it's all the columns and then the first column onwards. That did not fix anything. Slice none, 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 and one none. None has an invalid key. Awesome. Love it. I always forget how to slice. DF slice by column. It's always like some stupid thing. It's not lock, or is it iLock? I think it's lock. I think it's iLock actually. DFR.iLock. No, that's not helped either. Min arg is an empty sequence. Okay, so if I just do and then df min arg is an empty sequence. And then I guess we'll see. Min arg is an empty, no, I don't think this is gonna work. Oh my God. Like what I want to do is just remove outliers. Okay, I'm gonna do. I'll specify the columns. Oh, and then remove it. Welcome back, book. Hope you're doing okay. So no, oh, God's sake. Type. Okay, that's just the same thing. So iLock. No, it's also the same thing. Item wrong length 366 instead of 0. What? Interesting. Oh, it's DFR. Oh, it's still min-arg return. It's the same error. Is it negative? I gave you 10k. I reset everyone that ended up in debt. So you and Anna both ended up in debt, and I reset them. Oh my god! Why is this happening? Ah! Okay, data frame. Select columns. There's got to be something here. Set the subset of a data frame. I want it by index, if at all possible. So this is kind of where MATLAB syntax comes into its own, because MATLAB is a... Okay, there we go. No, I was just explaining to Book because it's just come back. What happened in the first place? I can imagine he is, yeah. I mean, if I had all the money in the world, I'd have a VR headset, but I don't. Not exactly like Sam does, though, to be fair. Welcome DGM Dem Gaming to the stream. Hope you're doing okay. Oh, nice. Just make sure he destroys it with sanitizer first, though. Obviously. Stream about, read the title. And you'll probably get the idea. Why does this suck? I hate this. This is awful. .ilock. Pandas is the worst thing in the world. Okay, 0 to 5. We could do it like that, and then that one. No, it's min. It's an empty sequence. Okay, well this method of detecting outliers clearly is just broken. God, don't you wish there was just what is that? Is the world's biggest picture? Don't you just wish there was a built-in for this? Meet the outlier. I know what a bloody outlier is. Box plot. Yeah, I'm fully aware of how to display. I want to remove them. Z score. Z is greater than 3. Is an outlier. I'll probably rewatch some of it from the start. That's fair enough. Okay. DFR. No, that's not gonna work either. Okay. I lock. Oh, this is so hard to do with timestamps. I just want to remove the thing. That's all I want to... Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to get this to go away. Leave. No, not that one. What are you doing? Leave. This is probably the last thing I'm going to do before I end the stream, because we have been going for a little while. Z equals np dot absolute stats dot z score DFA. Oops, and then we probably wanted to print that. We didn't print that because it has to be the last line. Amazing. 100% good. I'm 22. You what? Oh, it's the actual calculation of z-score that isn't working. Oh, there we go. Amazing. That is so good. Why is that an empty array? Is there no outliers? No, there's just no scores at all. Eh? I am so confused. How long have we been going? Been for 3 hours so far. I might leave it here and pick this up next time. Because I don't know what's wrong. Theoretically that should work. I really don't know. But before I go, I do have to do the traditional. I do have to stick to tradition. And I have to bet the farm. So how much have I got? This is gonna be a big bet. I've amassed 43.5 million credits, the vast majority of which was during this stream. So now, oh god, flip 43,551,439. And we're gonna put this on tails. I'm gonna bet the farm. Holy mother of God. Oh my god, I get so lucky with that. You can do, if you want. I just made it a tradition that I just bet the farm. And I think I've done it, this is the third or fourth stream I've done it. I've won it every time. Alright. Sending prayers your way. Sending the stonk gods your way. Or sending my prayers to the stonk gods. How much do you actually have? 41 million, I was about to say. I was actually slightly ahead of you somehow. The suspense. Thousand separators don't work. Gotta do it without. Yeah. Doesn't work with it. I might try and add something that makes it work with it, but that just seems a bit of a pain to do. Oh, that's unfortunate. Meanwhile, holy mother of God, that's a big F. That's a lot of credits. Oh, the hack is broken, isn't it? Alright. What I'll do is I'll shut the bot down. I'll restart it. We'll do a hack and then we'll end the stream. Accept the consequences. You can hack it as well, mind you. Unless 3 people do, it's going to be cancelled. While that is preparing, I want to thank everyone for coming to the stream. There's again too many people to do a roll call of. That edition died ridiculously quickly. Oh my god. There you go. Have those. Oh no! I've got to give him the other way around. Oh no! We're on a time limit. There we go. Do it quick. But yeah, I want to thank everyone for, there we go, just about in there, for coming to the stream again. Too many people to do a roll call, but yeah, just in time. It's been fun. It's been good. Can't wait to do it again next Thursday, because it will probably be Thursday, unless I am struggling with assignments, then it'll be Friday again. Although to be fair, I did want to do it. It was my friend that was struggling with assignments yesterday, which is why I didn't stream. But it did allow me to get the Analytics API up, so that kind of worked out in the end. But in the light of the stream, I should say as well, the How to Python series has been fully... oh no! That is extraordinarily unfortunate. My goodness. Christ, that's crazy. Yeah, we'll bring Monument Valley on. So the How to Python series will be coming to an end on Monday. The next episode will be going up tomorrow. I kind of just forgot to get it ready for today, so it will go up tomorrow instead. And then the final one, episode 19, will go up on Monday as normal, and then that'll be the end of the How to Python series. Then the Pillow series will hopefully start on the 15th. After a series of videos that I want to do on the 11th, the 12th, the 13th, and the 14th. I have plans for all of those days, special videos, and just hope that the rebrand is done by then. Otherwise, it's going to be delayed, because they're all rebrand related. Except for the 14th. That's something separate. But yeah, again, thanks to everyone for stopping by, and I hope to see you again next time. Bye.